Om Swastiastu. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to put together Balinese dish called nasi campur ayam, or Balinese rice set with chicken and vegetable and sambal and also a few side dishes. So I have a request from one of my subscribers to make this video, and finally today I make it. So the first thing I'm going to do is introducing all the dishes that I'm going to put together into the nasi campur. The first thing is rice. So I'm using a steamed jasmine rice, and also of course because we are using the chicken here, and I choose the ayam betutu, which is a Balinese roast chicken, and I'm going to put later also the brown coconut, Balinese chili sambal, sambal mata, boiled egg, sweet tempeh, snack bean salad. So for all of them just now, that if you would like to see the recipe or see the video how I make it, you can click the link in the description, and also you can just press the link on the top here. And here also later I'm going to put minced chicken satay, which is it will be in my future video for the recipe. So basically nasi campur ayam, they have around 6, 7 or 8 different kind of food in a one plate, including rice. So rice, meat, which is you can choose chicken or other meat, fish or whatever you like, and then vegetables, which is here I'm choosing the snack bean salad, and then boiled egg, satay, sweet tempeh, brown coconut, and sambal. So let's put it together. First thing I'm going to do is shape the rice. I'm using this shape to shape the rice later, and here I have a plate with the banana leaf, which is you don't have to use the banana leaf, but just kind of authentic to put the banana leaf on the plate. And then I'm going to need some fresh water, which is I'm going to put here. First thing I'm going to do is rub here a little bit with the fresh water. And here I have a banana leaf, which is around 10 centimeter, and I just do like this and then put it inside this. And I'm going to rub some fresh water too. And then now I'm going to put the rice into it. I'm using my hand, which is first thing is small one. Just press it. And then a little bit more. So if your hand get a little bit stickier, then you can just dip your hand into fresh water. It's up to you how much the rice you want to be. So I'm going to put more. Yes, that's it. And I'm going to take it out now, which is just take the banana leaf out like this. And then open it gently. So here I have a rice with this shape, which is in Bali we call it tumpeng. And now I'm going to put the chicken first. This is the way Balinese carving their chicken, which is using hand. So I'm going to clean my hand here. And the next thing is I'm going to put the snack bean salad. So boiled egg, which is we divide it to two. And I'm putting the Balinese chili sauce on the top. Some brown coconut. Sweet tempeh. Minced chicken satay. And I'm going to put sambal mata in here, which is I'm going to show you how to make it. Two banana leaf and just press it. Put here and some sambal mata. And I'm going to put on the top of this just a little things like this that I made earlier. Yeah. Here we are, nasi campur ayam. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes and I'll see you next time. Matur suksema. Bye bye.